Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have two Style Korean exclusive kits that have been sitting around in my room and I can't wait to open them up. So go ahead and grab your favorite beverage and let's see what the mini pouch kit and the Heimish weekly reboot kit is all about. Cheers! So I actually got these a while ago, but I got busy with other stuff, so they've just been sitting around. And as you know, I'm not in desperate need of new skincare because I just have a really big stash. I'm gonna start with this really cute kit. It's a little mini pouch kit, so it's gonna have a bunch of travel size favorites that you can kind of just throw in your bag. Bag itself, the pouch, says Chocobo. It also came with a keychain mirror, I think it is. Let's see. It's this heart-shaped keychain. I can't tell if it's a mirror or brush. We're about to find out. Ooh, it's a brush and a mirror. One of those. You can just hang on your bag and then you have a brush and a mirror. I think my daughter's gonna be obsessed with that. Okay, this kit, actually both of these kits cost me less than $20 and they both have values over $50, so I thought they were well worth it. I'm gonna start with opening some stuff. So this is from Chocobo. This is a vitamin nourishing lip balm. I think it's probably gonna be like a chapstick kind of. Yeah, so it's kind of like a chapstick we're looking at. Ooh, see that? Kind of like a chapstick, but more balmy than a chapstick. Okay. I also have from Be The Skin a Sebum Zero Aloe Vegan Sun Cream SPF 50. Now, this is the cutest, tiniest sunscreen. It may only last 1 or 2 uses on my face, but it's small and it's great to throw on your back. It seems like it's good for people who have oily skin. Also have from Chocobo a coconut clay cleansing foam. Nice to have a cleansing foam on the go. Also from Chocobo, a Sika Calming Sun Serum. So if you have both of these, then you have enough sunscreen for your trip. From Be The Skin, a BHA Plus Toner Pore Zero. So little mini toner. I love this because a lot of toners don't come in these travel sizes, so you can just throw it in. This is from Heimish. This is an all clean balm. This is one of those cleansing balms that you can use for cleaning your face. Starts out as a solid. You work it into kind of more of like an oil. Then you add a little water to emulsify and then you clean it all off and you're just left with a really nice clean feeling without feeling stripped. It can also be the first step if you're double cleaning. I now have, from Mary & May, Tranexamic Acid and Glutathione Eye Cream. And this is actually a nice size for an eye cream. I don't consider this a mini. I mean, eye creams are just notoriously small, but this is a good one. And what I like to do with something like this is not just for my eyes, I like to put it in any kind of areas that I want to target for anti-aging. So maybe up here, any kind of lines, some people will do it here. Eye creams can be used for more than one thing. It's just more about the targeting the areas that you want to focus on with the active ingredients. And last but not least, I got a cute little Chocobo scrunchie. So that was fun, definitely worth the $15 I paid. And let's move on to this one. So this is from Heimish. This is a weekly reboot 7-day kit. So this should have everything you need to skin cycle and keep your skin great for 7 days. So these are actually bigger sizes than I thought. You can see everything inside. Only 4 products, but we're focusing on cleansing, exfoliating, anti-aging, and revitalizing. We'll start with, and actually tells you what to do. So if you're someone that needs kind of a go-to tutorial for how to take care of your skin, this is nice because it has everything there. And even though these kits are, I don't believe they're still available in Style Korean, you never know, sometimes they pop back up. First, we're going to talk about cleansing. Now this is the same as this mini dude, so you can see comes with a little spoon. You can scoop it out and then you'll see, this little tab. It is just a really nice, solid, great for travel, no matter the size. And you would scoop out the product, warm it up in your hands, and just use it to kind of scrub out. So it's your first step, cleansing your skin. This can be used every day, morning, night. Kind of how the kit is. Let's see. Second step is going to be exfoliation. So here we're going to have an AHA, BHA, wash off peeling serum. This is a serum you're going to put on. You want to leave on for no more than 10 minutes, and then you rinse off with warm water. If you are someone that has more sensitive skin, you might want to patch test first and maybe do kind of put a little bit on the inside of your arm and see how that works before you proceed to do a full face 10 minutes, or maybe you only want to do a few minutes and not the full 10 minutes to start out. And this is a full size. I mean, so far these are all full sizes. See, this is my wash off peeling serum. Now, this is exfoliating, which is the first step for me in a skin cycling kind of regime. So I would use this no more than 3 times a week, but preferably 2 times a week. With me, what I do is I'm having an exfoliating night, and then a retinol night, and then 2 nights of recovery. That's usually what's happening. If my skin is feeling, the barrier is just feeling very stressed, I might do more recovery nights. If I'm thinking my barrier looks great, I might try and skip one of my recovery nights and only do 1. So I do play it up a bit, but that is my basic. Exfoliate, retinol, 2 nights of recovery. This is gonna be the exfoliator that you would use 1 to 2 times per week at night. This is at night. You don't wanna mix it with retinol. You don't wanna mix it with vitamin C. Anti-aging. Similar, we have a retinol and bakuchiol, and bakuchiol is an alternative plant-based version of retinol that plays a little better with other ingredients. It's not as sun sensitive. This does have both, so this is something you want to use at night. For me, it would be day 1, the exfoliating, day 2, the retinol, 2 nights of recovery, and then repeat. With this one, this is a booster oil that you're going to apply to your face. And interestingly enough, because this only has 0.1% of retinol in the bakuchiol, it does say you can apply it morning and night. I am someone who likes to apply my retinols only at night, even if it says you can apply morning and night, because I want to do vitamin C in the morning, and vitamin C and retinol generally do not mix. This does say you can apply it morning and night, but I would probably do just night to begin with. And also you want to do it maybe 2 times a week, just kind of depending on how your skin cycling works. That is going to be night 2, or if you're doing it during the day, I would do it maybe every 2 days. See how your skin works. Always apply lots of sunscreen, because this will make your skin more sensitive. This is another one that can be daily use, and this is retinol and bakuchiol, same active ingredients as here. These are eye patches, and I love eye patches. I love putting them on when I'm trying to get ready, if I'm looking tired, or if I just need a little prep while I'm doing my hair, or maybe some eye makeup. And with this, you want to leave on for 20 minutes. Probably can apply them morning or night. Yes, these are morning or night. And this is 60 patches, so 30 days of use. That's pretty good. And it comes with another spoon. Get them out. Woo! They are so pretty. Okay, they are purple sparkly eye patches. They have like glitter. Can you see that? Gotta love some pretty eye patches. I don't know, it just makes it more fun. This whole set is most of the routine you would need if you're looking at doing skin cycling. The only thing I'm missing are for recovery nights, I want to use either a moisturizer or a night mask, something like that, to kind of give my skin a break. But for the under $20 I paid, definitely worth it in value. And it's just great because it kind of tells you what you need to do to get started, and has these full-size products. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments down below if you purchased any of these kits, or if you have any of these products and what you think. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.